Hi everyone, welcome to the Microsoft Dynamics Tips and Tricks Google Hangout for this month. My name is Kelsey Peterson, and today we're going to be going over a couple different things. So the first one is about personal document templates, and this is a new feature in the 2016 update, and it has to do with templates. And just a reminder, all of our blogs can be seen online. All of this information is online through our blog. So if you want a written tutorial or step-by-step instructions, that's where you could go to get this information. So if you're new, if you're familiar with the new updates, the templates specifically, there are two types, Word and Excel templates. And you can have system templates and personal templates similar to views. So if you're like me, then when you first got started, you probably were looking at a specific record. For instance, I'm on the opportunity record. So I started from the opportunity and I created a template. And you can do that, as you can see on the screen, by going to Word templates and then creating one. Now, what I wanted to highlight was what happens after you upload the template. So, hang on 1 second, let me go back. Create a Word template. Okay, there we go. I'm just going to create something very simple for our demo or testing purposes so that we have something to work with. Okay, so we'll go here to the Developer tab. I'm going through this quickly because we haven't, this isn't the main focus of our demo or our blog today. So I'm just going to add a couple random fields. Okay, and then I'm going to save this. Good. Okay, so now if we go back to our opportunity and upload the template, if you're like me, this is what I did. So I was here working from it, and this is where I uploaded it. But if you do that, it's actually a personal template instead of a system template. So once I realized that it created a personal template, I wanted to get rid of it, but I didn't know where it went. So I just uploaded it. I'll go back to my opportunity here. And now if we look at our Word templates, you'll see now I have this personal Word template, and I don't want that. That was an accident. So I'm trying to figure out how I can get rid of it. The way to get rid of it is to do an advanced find for personal document templates. So the system templates are called just straight document templates, but if you want your personal ones, they're called personal document templates. So if I check out my results, I'll probably see the one I just created. There it is. So from here, I can delete it if I accidentally uploaded it. That was just something that I found to be a little bit confusing when I first started working with them, so I thought it might be helpful to share with other people. I'm going to go ahead and delete that anyway, since it was really nothing special. Okay, so that's the first topic. And then the next thing I wanted to talk about were dialogue comments. So dialogues, let's go to our process area. Here's our, I have a dialogue test open. So I'm actually going to activate it. There's a couple different areas. If you've worked with dialogues, and you probably already know this, but on the dialog box, when it pops up, there's already a box where a user can add comments. So let's see, I'm going to start a dialog so you can see. So this is the dialog screen that comes up when you create one. So down here in this area where it says click to add comments, that information is actually not retrievable by without like creating or coding a custom plugin. So, and as you can see, it's probably very confusing or misleading to the user. They see click to add comments and they're obviously going to write in some additional information if they have it. So in that case, you want to provide a separate box in the dialog itself where the user can add that information. And then, as you can see here, I also added a note so that your user knows not to add anything to this comments area. So I just added something, please do not add anything to the comments area below. Instead, use this box. So I'm going to add a couple notes in here so we can go and see them. So that's one way to help alleviate some of the confusion for your users. Now, if you do want to get to this comments information, that information is retrievable in the process session. So if this is the process, the dialog setup screen, and on the left here it's called process sessions. So I can go through and look at all of the processes that were completed. So this is the one I just finished. If I double click and open it, I should be able to see the comments that I added. Okay, so here, this section, the summary section, is obviously where the user has stepped through and provided their information. So this was the response that I gave. These are the notes in the provided box. And then if you see down here, this comment section, this is the area where you'll find anything that has been added to the comments area. Another way, if you want to more easily see if someone has added anything to that comment section, is you could do a advanced find and add it as a column in your view. So I'll show you a quick way. So look for process sessions where comments contains data, and then in your columns add that comments field, and then you can easily get to that information. You're not going to be able to get to it and then actually use it, but at least you could see it in a view and see if someone has actually put anything in there that needs to be acted on. I don't know what's happening here. Let's try again. All right, I'm having a little trouble with this view, and I don't know why. Maybe I'll just let it sit for a second, see if it comes up. Try it one more time. But I think you kind of understand what I'm saying. All you do is add your the comments field as a column, and then you can see it. For some reason, it is not working. Come on. Okay, well, in any case, you probably understand what I'm saying. See, I might have that. Here's a screenshot of a simple advanced bind that I created. So I did comments contains data, and then here were my results. So I added comments as the column, and so that I could see what people had written in that field. And that's it. All right, so that's our Hangout for this month. We'll also be posting new blog posts soon for April, so those will be up shortly, and then next month we'll go over those as well in our Hangout. So thanks for joining us, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much.